You're back with us again, are you? Well, we're doing a skirting job today, and we're starting on the corner, the highest side, highest corner. And I'm going to make the first piece I put on the ground out of this J channel. It's 1 inch here, 1 inch here, 2 inches, 2.5 inches here, which allows for the roofing metal that we're using. So now I made a line here in the center where I want the center of my corner. And then I'm going to go at an angle, pretty much a 45. It don't have to be exact. And then down like so on the sides. So this is the whisk snips, and we have some Milwaukee to compare today. And I'll take it and I fold it like so. I cut on both those lines, and that's the center. I'm going to fold this up, squeeze it around, and I cut my 45. I might encourage it, although it should do pretty good, and just now I have a corner. That's how you do it. And this is how we start right here. Again, the highest corner. They grow rocks around here, so just when you think you got all the rocks out, there's more. Now, if you have longer than this, the back of that J channel to here, we should be level that way, and now we got to check the other way. Level. All right, now
put nails in.
We're going to put the nails in, which costs now 25 cents a piece, and
less than that.
6-inch nails. I bought them by the 400, but you might not want to do that if you're just going to do what your skirting job. But me, I do a whole lot of different skirting jobs. So with tax, that's what?
6 cents.
It was $68 for the box for 400.
7 cents a piece.
So quite a bit less. Anyway, we're going to take a hammer. This is a straight claw. There's some advantage to straight claw. This is inexpensive hammer, really. If I can't get it in there, I can use a straight claw. Boom. Now, we're going to go to this end first, I guess. Yep, right there. Bent nail. Imagine that. I didn't even get the chance to bend it. I don't know if I'm going to use it. I don't know. 25 cents, I better. It's like picking up a quarter if I just let that sit there. I lose a quarter. So I'm going to kind of hit that side and drive that down. I need to figure out how to straighten this out. How good a job are you doing if you got a bent nail from the factory? Right. I'll put one here in the center. I don't want to go too much more than 4 foot, 3 foot. with the nails, and that's what we're going to do. We're going to set this up. We'll do this whole end and get started up the hill on both sides, and then we'll come in and drop some metal so you guys can see us do it. And you can do it yourself because you're Americans, not Americans. We can allow a little bit of down angle inside that J channel, which is 1.25 inches up. And here we go. We're going to cut it, and hopefully I'll get to my pouches for you.
I'm afraid it's gonna rain by then.
Let's see. These are 8 inches over. Guess I'll mark it with a pencil first. You can use a chalk line or straight edge. Now I have shears, so I can cut this with electric shears, but there's no point in me expecting you to buy shears for the one time you're going to do skirting. So we're going to score right on that line with a dull knife. Right on that line. Now what I'm doing, like on drywall or anything else, I'm encouraging it to break there. We're going to hope that it does. If I fold it this way, that notched out area will try to come together and actually get strong and fight you. What we're going to do is fold it, so we cut it, we're going to fold it open. All right? Let's see if it works. And we're going to put a corner on this particular case. And you just saw me cut metal without having to have shears.
Or snips.
Or snips. You could have done it with snips by cutting over every few inches and then cut up through that. It's long, but you can do it. So there we go. We're going to show you as we go along other things.